Howdy folks, another kit review of Harry's Ferguson TE20 1/24 scale. It's a tractor, something a little bit different. I'm a sucker for vintage tractors. I do love vintage tractors. I do like, as I say, I do like my vintage tractors. It's this side of the box, this side. This side not an awful lot on there, and this side, the back is some languages: French, German, English. It's about the tractor. The picture on the front is the tractor that is in the box. That is a pristine, restored version. Probably that's how I'm going to do mine in the kit. Is a restored version. There's no number, no kit number. There's a 128 piece kit. It's an open top box. You get one bag with everything in there, and a paper manual. Oh, sorry guys. First page, a little bit of information about the kit. Again, same as what's on the back of the box. Move you over slightly. Step 1, doing the engine. Number 2 is more engine covers. Step 3 is more engine. 4 is engine and bumper. 5, looks like the steerage linkage going on. Number 6, fan belts and stuff. 7, radiator and fan shroud. Sorry. Number 8 is putting the fan shroud and onto the engine. Number 9, I believe, is oil tank. Number 10, air filter, small parts for the engine. Steering linkage. Exhaust manifold, exhaust, not sure what that is. Could be exhaust manifold again. I'm not quite sure what that is. I think that's the top of the engine. I'm not 100% sure on that. I think this is the top of the engine. Move these out of the way slightly. Number 17. We've got battery box, instrument panel going on, steering wheel. Is that steering wheel? Oh no, sorry, that's the brake discs, disc brakes, not disc brakes, drum brakes, sorry, drum brakes, more drum brakes, steering linkage and drum brake parts, tyres and wheels going on. Left and right, steering linkage, foot pedals, more steering linkage again, actually strange. Steering linkage, that's another steering linkage as well. I believe that's steering linkage as well. We have got more steering linkage again, strange. Front wheels and tyres, 2 different types. Different type of seat, metal seat with holes in it. I believe the holes are for so the seat don't fill with water, so it doesn't rust and way out. You can drain away. A leather seat. Putting the seat on. Some handles, indicator handles, I believe they are, or shift handles. Steering wheel going on, 2 different types. A metal one and a leather one, I believe. Foot pedals, I'm not sure what that is. Looks like some kind of cover to go over the exterior linkage, protection cover. What we've got here, stick shift, I believe for gears and stuff maybe. I'm not sure, I think that's a toolbox. Yeah, toolbox. Your rear wheel covers going on, the front hood being disassembled, open or closed. Lights going on. What is that? Oh, that's the rear linkage on the back of the tractor. Yeah, the rear linkage. Finished product, rubber tyres, sprue map of the kit, more sprue map, one of the colours option, which is in a pastel gloss grey, or you can do yours in pastel gloss grey with a red engine and chassis, which should be in red. That's the one that's got the leather seat and the leather handle. And the grey one is with the metal seat and metal steering wheel and stuff. I'll do this one, but I'm going to do it like it is on the box, the vintage, pristine. And also you have to have some dials on the decals as well, and decals for headlights. Yeah, like I say, I'm going to do it so it's a restored version. First time I've looked at a heli kit, and I've never done a heli kit before. Not a fan of one bags either, because things like this happen, parts break off, which is not good. You've got rubber tyres. You're going to have to cut the centre seam out, they're quite soft. You've got a centre seam down this tyre, this is meant to be there. Or you've got these other tyres which have got like these grooves in them. Pretty cool. This sprue, let's focus, is some of the wheels, the back wheels, front wheels, small engine parts, chassis, I believe that's parts of the steering linkage as well. There's no flash on this kit whatsoever, no burring, what I can see. Injection pin marks, but these are on the inside of the wheels, so you're not going to see these when they close together. You're not going to see them, so it's pretty good. We have rivets on the covers, the hood or the bonnet, wherever you are in the world. Foot pedals, engine details again. These are the lights. Again, injection pins on the inside. You may want to sand these ones out if you're going to display it open. Steering wheels, two different seats. Like I say, this is the leather one, this is the one with the holes, which is the metal one. That's meant to be there as well. It's not a default. Smaller parts again, radiator, fan shroud, engine and transmission, two halves, put them together, small parts, exhaust manifold. This is all parts for the engine. Fan belt, exhaust. There's the fan. Highly detailed. And a couple of decals, numbers. These ones here on the side are the instrument panels. These are the headlights, and two Ferguson nameplates. Let's move this out there. Yep. So there you go, guys. That's the Ferguson TE20 tractor, 1/24 scale. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.